My video guide is about getting rid of the fake human verification alerts related to the site Magmafurnace.top. This is a malicious site that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to mislead users and to make them click on this allow button. But to click on allow is truly a mistake because this would hijack the browser, and the browser would be contaminated with plenty of advertisements that will keep attacking the screen in the form of permanent push notifications. So if you have mistakenly clicked on allow, fix your browser by accessing the menu Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings, and in Permissions choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications and remove this junk site. To make sure that your computer is free of other threats, I recommend you to research it with our Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start researching this system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.